Sampson, Akwaba.
Yeah.
You are welcome to Asante Kotoko.
Thank you very much.
After a month, when the boys know are training, I'm resident. How do you find the whole environment in the club? Is it different from the other experience or experience for the past month?
Oh, the American say me did not see me me buy no me who a lot. And many agents because every player is a big club in Ghana. And I also Ghana so big club of Ghana and Kotoko. We buy any players one mango from training clubhouse, respect and then so create a hope obia se. Omo fa se be new ama banti fa se be aye nimu now. I didn't come out straight and ninja there or party and what they manage.
Oh, Castle by a DJ. I didn't know who ya of first few days and a month. I have fascinating. It's too good to be true. So I have to say indeed Premier League side something like that happen.
Osher players now a mobile league now. Obia more now matured. Nti omo obi a onimba omo fa ne se omo ninia because me bobo players be na din once be na wa me no mo ya adwumada ti immediately me be no omo jima wa to mo ma manage nkomo o senior yenye ni say o senior ahade e wa ba kwa ba transit how mo no be din nkomo kra won ka se ni beji say we feel abi so be ma Kumasi Asante Kotoko.
For how long Enana wape this move, the chance to play for Kotoko? We wait me to take here back and say you first stints with Samates, Mina Shots, Kaila United, Tamale City. And say Ghana Premier League Hall of Fame, say you go for our team, I was say more water. You are one of the names. How long have you been waiting for this day?
Team in Bremina. No offer in support Kotoko. Timmy Fitim collaborating and I'm support Kotoko. Tinyami Adam chance in the buy no, my fine with Diabro. Cra or more framiana, made him buy because idea ope, near San from, Nana from Tim pay for Afro Sebra, coach Afro Sebra dear, and they say Oputi, or more kind of my fine with Diabro, and made him buy because Tim knew more genuine. And I'm a petty minute pound.
Asante Kotoko Peso G League, I represent Ghana or Africa. I can make meaningful impact. Ideas from Kona or Deba on board and supporters and sure when him say Wabe or just squad member, but will be making an impact. And what sort of impact now Deba?
The American say send a team in Econo. I don't think say ever for because the experience and also ever count a pushy team forward. But the American says supporters in the form of Pabo. No more support to no enter team Nechi. Now, no say season Bako, no Kumasi Asante Koto, G League, Mabano, dear, no war will be winner, Mifima Kumo. I'm the academy now, team Nanya. So, I want the NPC winner.
What's position now by striking force? Lots of competition. Our Tamwa and wonderful stats. Kotoko, Kwame Poku de Wabahada, Wabipe. Ocean competition here, is to get into the starting position, it wouldn't be easy. How do you find a sort of competition and idea now to be a team player now, so I try to help the others?
The American say before me rate team no, and I remember Kumasi Asante Kotoko, and I me follow team nepa. I better more I Juma baby and I go so because as a striker there, I say one time strikers every day. I say every match be on many of the day. No more Juma or I and a Kwame Poku so why be that and I buy and so of Bugu. Me very happy for them because. Yes, so one bomb more be was going to mean do. The American say, among continue the Moyeno. Yes, we are back. The Bible modern say, experience na yɛwɔ no yɛde bɛ support na teamwork no ayɛ adwuma ama adeɛ ɛwɔ yɛn so yɛpɛ sɛ yɛachieve no yɛnyina yɛtumi achieve together.
Eduku wohwɛ Asante Kotoko support base na ɔmo adeɛ bi ɔmo yɛ extremists ɔmo dɔ wo ma no boro so so ɔyɛ adeɛ no ɔmo mpɛ a ɔmo react in the same way. Knowing this and the pressure that comes with playing for Kotoko, how prepared and why say ube face you and at the end of one kasa support base expected from who as a forward.
The American say team be supporters obey idea mama po seven say ube deliver momo supporters the omodi and say why we need game need their momo but so when we need their and you was where she the American say o mon fa mon pa bon ta echi ye ndi omo hwa moda they say your park ne so bia ebe momo ni age no ebe ya momo ena they should look up to me. I'm here to deliver for them.
You say player be on the quality, but sometimes as footballers you admire your colleagues based on certain technique and as a trait. A month and some weeks out the boys now train player better who say he has exceptional quality. Now they all know you admire no.
Players need now because football there so be and so we na yape so be an quality. It is also quality now. You need to use it and deliver. The mean to make us say way the Obia when the players need good. Because when you're good, I want to be more Asante Kotoko. And to mean to make us say way you're good. All the players are very good.
You're going to work under a new manager, Prosperna Eduku, or you'll be or try to get things right, and then the mantra and say use your potential now to get at the team so he doesn't play with his job. Knowing this now, how are you preparing to adapt to the style of play near being here?
As a good player, as a professional player here, go into a team, the coach in the bench will be you need to do it. If you don't understand, you just go to the coach. I know say he's a father to me, he's a teacher to me. The one TRC be away with Sanibia. I know say he's ready to explain to you for you to understand it. The American say position be or them to be say TRC. I'll let him know say oh coach we mean TRC. Then I know say he's going to help me out.
This season, I have synonymous with Kotoko. Creating all the decent chances and missing from close range. If you feel say no one baby a day. As a striker, what do you think I was here to improve that? And I said nowadays pass and a club and drop it points.
The mechanic say baby make sure a honor in and I say some chances we are to me and you try to do it at training grounds. Media kakra beba. Ama obidi obenya want to say next start we any see ankababu we any see ankababu and no say what they say no you come together and you're going to deliver for them.
What monitor team for a while so far games been Nawasha you were really impressed, you enjoyed the game as a footballer and you wish you were part on the field out of the many games that about this season.
Matches here me buy no me share people but I am me follow. But match I'm sharing Go Stars. I did not mobile and stadium I'm sharing. Mean to make I said I always said it. So every player be so far as why ready so ball team need match be you have to be prepared and be ready. The match be always say I can play. For now say my body I know say I'm not going to let the team down. I'm going to support the team so that you get to where you want to be.
Sampson, you are welcome to Kumasi. Have a wonderful stay.
Thank you very much.
Follow our social media platforms for more.